May the 6th, we've got this Stevie Wonder birthday project, which I'll show you the update now. We have Rocco from Italy, we have Dave Morniki from London.
We'll be all about the love again. No need to pretend. This whole world will be all about love again.
Coriander has turned into coriander.
Wow.
Chives, dill.
There's a beautiful Solomon's seal grown in here. Look at it, covered in bells.
Beautiful. Go for Warren Haynes. It's pick. We love you, Warren Haynes. One comes in, it's space for it.
Hi Pete, how are you? I've been having a great response when I invited my friends to the virtual choir. A lot of them are interested.
Hi, here's my top 10 albums that he's doing the rounds, where people put a photo and don't explain. Wow, we like to explain, so we'll do it on a video. Thanks very much, Carl. Hope you're doing well for nominating me, and thank you very much, Parky, for nominating me. Here is the Black Crows Lions, fully signed up to me. Fantastic. So of course I'm in a Black Crows shirt as well. So of course Black Crows, Cry of Love, Brother. Everyone who knows me knows I just love Warren Haynes. This one here, Government Will Shout, that's a great album. Everybody who knows me knows that I love Stevie Wonder, so I will pick this one here, which is a not so common one. It's Stevie Wonder, Natural Wonder. This Stevie Wonder album here is called Conversation Piece, and on it is a song called I'm New. And Stevie gets the great band Take 6, which led me to getting all of these Take 6 albums. Fantastic. And why is this so great as well? It's because all these years later, starting from 2017, I have been friends with Joel from Take 6 and have done great music together. Love you, man. Hope you're doing good, Joel. Love you. Look at all these Take 6 greatnesses. If you love a cappella music that's good for your soul, check out Take 6. And love you, Joel. Tedeschi Trucks Band, signed. Aerosmith were one of my very first favourites. Love them. Extreme. 3 sides of the story. Everything Bill Conti has composed, I just love. Quentin Tarantino just picks great music every time. Funkadelic. Mark King at Isle of Wight, local hero. Otis Redding still has my favourite voice. Bill Withers, What's Going On, perhaps the greatest soul album. And Babyface, MTV Unplugged. Herbie Hancock, Headhunters, what an album. Scrap-O-Matic, what a band. Kevin Kinney, Vuzi Mala Sailor from Africa, this one, The Wisdom of Forgiveness. Megalove Prince, Frank Zappa, massive hero. Ben Harper, he's a hero. Good old Ben Harper. This one is his Burn to Shine album. Little Feat, great inspiration, love all their albums. And all of these heroes go into the making of the Rainbow Mandrill stuff. Mandrill Soul Revival, letting off steam. The best of the Rainbow Mandrills. A Trip to the Strawberry Moon DVD. Mules for Miles. The Looney Strawberry Moon. The making of the Diaspora Dilemma DVD. The Diaspora Dilemma album. Inside the Dome, the DVD. And Obelisk and Dome, the first. Here is Calvin doing the backing vocal with Joel on Got to Get To. And he does a great job. He does so far on this song. Then we got Joel. We now got Calvin. We got Maria. We got the two Romanian guys that were on The Voice Romania, Christian and Jana. 5 voices on Got to Get To. That is sounding good. Nice.
Found in the scales of the music we adore. Got to get to, gotta get the good doctor.